Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have some Pottery Barn inspired room decor DIYs I created using mostly Dollar Tree items. You can be as creative as you want with these. I hope you are inspired and enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That just lets me know you like seeing content like this on my channel. Also, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already and you're into Dollar Tree DIY decor like this, because we do a lot of that on my channel. So let's jump right into it. The first one is super simple. I found these little strands of twinkle lights in Dollar Tree along with the ivory colored chrysanthemums. This was like $2 to make. I pulled the flowers off and wrapped the wire around them, spacing them out evenly. You could use a dab of glue if you want to keep them in place, but being battery operated, you can actually use this anywhere you want. And how pretty does this look, right? The next one is easy, but it does take a little bit of time to do. I'm using one of these skeins of yarn from Dollar Tree. The Pottery Barn one is black and white, so I opted for this kind of black, white, and gray toned one, but they also carry it in a couple brighter colors as well. If you prefer, I'm just folding the yarn over and over and making them all the same length, gathering it in a bunch like this at the top, and then taking a bit of ribbon or twine to tie it at the top like this, going in with some scissors to cut the bottom loops so they all hang freely like fringe. I did try to make even sized bundles and I got like 10 or 11 bunches out of a $1 bundle of yarn, but I came back and then tied them all onto a long piece of the cotton twine from Dollar Tree, spacing them out evenly as I went along. Ideally, you're going to want to have like either 9 or 11 bunches out of this in order to create the look that we're going to do at the end. You want to have kind of an odd number for it, but then I came back, I tied them all onto a long piece of the cotton twine from Dollar Tree, spacing them out evenly as I went along, and there you have it. I think this is very boho chic piece of wall decor. I feel like the black color is like the most versatile, but what color would you want to make this in? Next is this mirror that I saw, and for this one I'm using a plastic sheet holder from Dollar Tree and painting over it with some white chalk paint, and then coming back in with some tan or brown just to kind of streak it a little bit to give it kind of like a wooden look. It's not perfect, but once that's dry, I'm taking an 8x10 mirror from Dollar Tree and gluing that right on top, so you're really going to just end up seeing the edges. I put the mirror right up to the top of it, and I feel like this would be nice on a makeup or bathroom vanity counter, dresser, even on a desk. I was actually wondering, where do you guys like to do most of your holiday gift shopping, or do you DIY your gifts for people? Now the next one is a little wall shelf, and I'm using this wooden sign from Dollar Tree. This was a Valentine's one, but they have new ones every season, so use whatever you can find. I had to pry the little metal heart off of this one, but then I just came back with a couple coats of a thick white chalk paint. Don't forget to do the edges as well, and you could do the bottom if it's going to be visible where you hang this, but once it's all dry, take some glue and some nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and I just had the ends meet in the middle. By the way, if you can't find nautical rope in your Dollar Tree, I will link the one that I've been using from Amazon as well. That is a pretty good deal and similar in price, like per foot, to the one that you get in Dollar Tree. This is not going to hold anything heavy, but it costs just a couple dollars to make, and it's a great way to mix it up and update your room decor on a super tiny budget. My daughter is like me and always wanting to change her room decor around, so mixing it up with some easy, affordable Dollar Tree DIYs that we can often take apart and repurpose in a few months if she changes her mind and we want to make something new. It's just the perfect way to create something affordable, super fun, and also really unique way to decorate your room. I hope you have enjoyed and been inspired. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!